G'day and welcome to today's video, which is going to be slightly different to most of my other videos. Today is a bit of a talk on how I run my small business. So personally, I've never been a person to push someone into a sale that they don't require. I've heard of grannies buying $2,000 gaming machines just to do emails. Personally, I don't know how you could live with yourself for talking people into something crazy like that. Typically, I'm also talking people into repairs more so than replacements. But if someone comes in with a 10-year-old machine with a failed hard drive running Windows 7, I'm more than happy to talk them against doing anything to that machine at all, rather than them spending $80 for a part, then a copy of Windows 10, and then the install, spend $200-300 on a machine that may fail in 6 months' time, and then they're left without a machine at all. The other thing I typically do is I'm more happy to undersell a machine. Someone might come in and go, I want to web browse, I want to write up a Word document, and I want to spend $2,000. I'll go, no, you don't need to spend that. Calm down. Have a look at this machine here. $800, it will do what you like at a good rate, good speed, no issue. Then the other side of things is I tend to put myself into the customer's shoes. I'll have someone come in with a Galaxy S6, broken screen, might cost them $200 to repair that. And in reality, it's not worth repairing it. So I like to give my customers options rather than just saying, this is the only solution I've got for you. They'll come in with a broken screen. I'll say it's $200 to fix it, but if you have insurance, you may be able to get it covered under that. Look down that avenue. Also, you can pretty much replace that phone with a brand new phone for the cost of the repair. Is it really worth fixing this exact phone when you could go out and buy a Samsung A20, brand new phone, bigger battery, brand new, and it's cheaper than the cost of the repair? The simple fact that why I put myself in my customer's shoes whenever they come through the door is that's exactly how I want to be treated by an industry that I don't understand. If I'm talking to a builder and I don't understand the terminology, I want them to be able to explain it to me in terms that I can understand and concepts I can understand, rather than just going, do that, build that, I don't care. I want to know why you're charging me for that. Why do I need that? That's what I find when I'm explaining to my customers about a problem they have and what the solution is. I find if my customer doesn't understand why or what I'm explaining to them, I need to simplify it. People are happier to pay when they know what they're paying for and why they need that specific repair, that specific part. And you also need to let your customer know when to cut their losses and give up on a device and replace it completely with an entirely new device. Some people might go, I can't afford that. Fair enough. Let them know other alternatives. The other side of the coin that I see every now and then is someone wanting to sell me something. They'll come in with an iPhone 7. They legitimately purchased it. It's in good condition. And they'll ask me, how much will I give for it? And typically, I will give them an extreme lowball for it because I don't need it. I don't really want it. And some people will be perfectly happy with the offer you gave them and accept it. But when I give them that offer, I'll also tell them if they advertise it, Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, eBay, they'll be able to get considerably more. So now it's up to the customer to come to their own decision. If they want the money then and there, fair enough. Whatever, done deal, we're done, see you later, thank you. They can just walk out of the store, say thank you for the offer, and then they can go advertise it their own way and sell it for considerably more. It all comes back to letting people know their options. And I found that giving people options or a path to a solution is better than just going, no, I can't do that. People don't want to hear no. People are happy to hear, I can't do it, but this person here can, this company can, no, I can't do that, but I can replace it. People don't like roadblocks. People like directions. So even simply giving people a direction to another company to repair an item, at least you were somewhat helpful to them rather than a dead end. So I find with the combination of all of above that I find that I've done a fair bit of goodwill for customers, and I hope that I get treated the same by them if I need their expertise. But I find with the goodwill comes trust. So quite a lot of the times I'll have repeat customers come in, they'll go, my computer's dead, I want a computer to do office work, what do you have? I'll point to a HP laptop on my shelf and they'll happily purchase it without second guessing or questioning why they should get that. Especially being able to stand behind your own products and you're happy with your own products that you're selling and the builds that you're building, then it makes it so much easier to be able to sell those products to the general population. If you're selling crap, you're going to be all shady about it. But if you're selling stuff that you personally are happy to use, if you need to use it, then you're going to be perfectly happy to sell it. So in the end, there's really not that much of a conclusion from all this. It's essentially treat your customer how you'd like to be treated in a field you have no idea about that's completely foreign to you. If you're happy to treat your customers like that and you have a decent product to sell at a decent price, people will return to you, people will be happy with your service. So anyway, I'm going to catch you later. In this video here has actually been me driving around Warrnambool. I went down there for some medical tests, picked up a 24-inch Dell touchscreen, and currently I'm going to Hungry Jack's. So anyway, these are my thoughts, rambles, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.